McKinley County District Attorney Bernadine Martin in hot water after her office was defunded over low prosecution rates and high case loads. Martin voicing frustration Tuesday afternoon.
We want to run McKinley County DA's office in McKinley County. That's what we want to do. We're able to do it. The circumstances are not the best, I admit that. San Juan County cannot take over McKinley County, and I need your support to get this message through. It's not legal.
However, she was faced with opposition.
Munoz is right here. Face your accuser.
State Senator George Munoz telling us he received numerous complaints of misconduct years back.
2 years ago, we were warned by the public defenders, the district attorneys, and the Supreme Court about what was happening in McKinley County. People worked on figuring out how to do this. The only way to remove a DA is the governor or the attorney general has to remove them.
We brought these concerns to our legal expert to break down the process of removing a district attorney.
The governor actually does not have direct authority to remove an elected official. The Attorney General's office, the Attorney General of New Mexico, can file an action in court trying to have the district attorney declared either negligent or incompetent, unable to perform his or her duties, engaged in corruption. There's a sort of a long list of reasons that a DA could be removed through a court action.
Her office defunded under the $10.8 billion budget bill signed into law back in April. The DA requesting $3.8 million at the state's Board of Finance meeting in July, but was denied. The board finalizing the decision to not grant Martin the payouts on a 3-1 vote.
Right after this meeting, a conversation should happen, and they should start figuring out how to resolve this issue, because it's not our issue to deal with.